Hi guys, welcome to the multi-award winning Emerald House of Cars. We're a totally unique family run business on a mission to be the best car dealership in the UK. Our commitment is to give you guys the best buying experience you've ever received, whether you plan on purchasing completely online using our free next day delivery service with 7-day money back guarantee, or you're coming to the showroom to meet the team. We've made everything as easy and as transparent as possible so that you've got full confidence in choosing Emerald for your next car. A little later in the video, we'll show you how our vehicles are prepared before sale in our on-site RAC approved service centre. But for now, sit back, relax and enjoy the following video.
Hello there guys, and welcome to this quick virtual walk round of this epic Land Rover Defender X-Tech from 2011. It's covered just over 56,000 miles, and you can see it's been modified, upgraded, and it looks absolutely immense. So we're going to have a quick walk around it now, and I'm going to try my best to remember everything that's been done. So you can see here you've got the LED headlight upgrade, and that is of course alongside the DRL Front Bumper. You've also on there got the gloss black against a gorgeous metallic silver. It's a colourway that just works really well. You can see down here you've got your vertical slats, and you've also got your mesh grille just underneath. Fog lights as well on there, really cool. Then you come down, of course, here you've got your great big huge off-roading tyres finished in your Continental cross contact tyres. Again, really great looking. You've got your blacked out side repeaters, gloss black on the wheel arches. You've got your venting system on both the wing, and you've also got this nice bonnet vent system, gives it a real naughty aesthetic appearance on the bonnet. Got your wipers up here, of course, which go across both ways on the screen, and you've got the little short windscreen in there that gives the Land Rover its real character. Gloss black roof just at the top, and of course here you've got your little hatch window. It doesn't open, but you can see through it. Tinted front windows. You've also got wind deflectors on there of the Team Highco brand. Gloss black on the mirrors, and you move down and you can see here you've got the gorgeous side step, again finished in gloss black, and you've also down here got your mud guards. Really cool looking. I'm sure you'll agree it just looks wicked. Now the chassis itself is of course galvanised, which is done by the fully by the Land Rover specialists at Black Country Land Rover. See, gloss black roof again, tinted privacy glass on the rear. You move down here, you've got your Mantec swing away spare wheel. You've got your extra alloy there, of course, with your great cross contact tyres, rear lighting. And on the back down here, you've got your Naz Rear Step with a stainless steel bolt upgrade as well. Official Land Rover mud flaps, and the Defender badging as well. It's absolutely class. Now inside, you can see it is immaculate. Really well looked after. Previously owned by a Land Rover specialist. You can see they've had no expense spared in keeping this absolutely sublime. We'll move round, and again you can see the restoration, the work that's gone into it is just super impressive. You can also see under there you've got your brick part. Just a car that wherever you go, this will turn heads. We have of course got one of these ourselves, not of this age. We've got the Hulk, as we class it, with a chrome green wrap, which is synonymous with the Emerald brand, but trust me, this is just as head turning. And also remember, this has of course been polybushed as well, just to give it that extra bit of reassurance and rigidity. Now what we'll do, don't think just the outside has been done. Oh no, wait till you see the surprise on the inside as well. So to start the inside video, we're going to start outside. Click on the disarm button. You have of course got your dual immobiliser just here, which is from the Autowatch brand, giving you that reassurance of safety as well. And inside, I did say you was in for a treat. Perforated leather steering wheel, got the nice dash upgrade on here as well, giving it the more modern feel. You've got your CD player in there. You've got the gorgeous metallic silver all the way across. Leather on the dashboard as well. You can see here certain parts have been reupholstered and retrimmed. Now we move around onto the party piece, the 2015 model seating. You can see gorgeous dark rock grey on there against the black with the grey stitching. Give it a real cool vibe all the way through. the cabin. Again, as a once over, it's the Defender you know and love, but even better than you could think. On the door card you've of course got the handle and the grab handle, and that is finished in the half leather with the black plastic as well. And then you get in, oh, that is very, very comfortable, let me just say. You've got the gorgeous black faces on the clocks, you've got the yellow and white font, and then to turn it on you can see foot on the clutch, foot on the brake, starts first time, no issues, no hesitation, no lag, no warning lights. I'm not sure if you can see that there. Your mileage is just over 56,000. Really, really nice display. Gives it a real modern twist. Now, a lot of people think the old Defenders are a little bit boring, a little bit mundane, but when you rebuild them like this, such as the guys at the Black Country Land Rover have, it shows what potential they really have. Over this side, you have, of course, got your air vents, which are controlled by the temperature gauge just down here. You've got further fans, Land Rover clock with a nice Land Rover logo on the face of it. Demist the front and rear screen, you've got your wipers, your fog lights, and of course you've got your electric window switches just here. Moving down, you have of course got your radio and CD player, AM and FM, and of course moving down from there, you've got the metallic silver encased in your fans, and of course your temperature gauges with recirculation just here. Really simple to use, and you can change option of where the air's portrayed in using that button just here. You've got your headlight range control, you've got your heated seats, and you've got aircon as well, and a 12-volt charger just here. And moving down from there, you can see you've got the gorgeous carpet surround, immaculately clean, and you've also got your diff lock, and you've got your gear stick just here. Now in terms of the gear stick, really easy to use, foot on the brake, foot on the clutch, push it all the way across to the right and press it up, and that is now in reverse. You also here of course have your differential explanation and different options just here. Dual cup holders, and then as we said, you've got that gorgeous contrast leather on there, the grey perforated leather in between the black nappa leather. Lift that up, got your MOT certificate, you've got your Ghost Immobiliser manual, all your documentation, and of course further storage in there as well. And a real nice bit about this, you've got the headlining in Alcantara, baby. No expense has been spared on this. Again, this was a personal vehicle of the Land Rover specialist, and one that they need to move on for the next project. But you can see it looks incredible. It's more now, ironically, of a luxury vehicle than it is a farming vehicle. It's something that you would have to own as a personal car, not a work car. Really, really cool in here. And again, it's no surprise, because the way that the Defenders are now, they have become an item that is really highly wanted and highly valued within the car scene. And again, like this, rightly so. You can see the leather cowling over certain parts of the dashboard, black with the black stitching. The seats are extremely comfortable. I mean, you can see how deep and comfortable and bolstered they are, and it's just really well finished. Again, even the steering wheel with the perforated leather just gives it that different vibe that you've become used to. But I'm afraid for me it is time to end this video, for the simple fact that I have ran out of time and I've got another 5 or 6 to do. But just remember, this Defender, as well as every other car, has of course gone through the Emerald 128 point inspection, of which you can see on the website under vehicle inspection sheet. Not only does it have an incredible presence, it's also had an oil and filter service as part of its preparation. Now if you want to get your hands on this, then do of course get in touch with our award-winning team here, myself, Tom or Victoria, and we'd be more than happy to discuss all the available options for you in regards to having this either click and delivered if you're buying remotely, or collected from HQ if you want to meet the team in the next 24 hours. There isn't another Land Rover Defender like this. This is the one you're going to want, and trust me, it looks even better in the flesh than it does on the video. Just want to say thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I've really enjoyed being around it, and now I'm going to get back in and enjoy that Defender a little bit more. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.
One of the most important factors when buying a used vehicle is figuring out who to trust. Buying a car is a massive financial commitment, and you need to be 100% confident in the company that you choose. We have over 1,000 5-star reviews on Google, Facebook and Auto Trader, hundreds of video testimonials, and the jewel in the crown are the multitude of awards we've won over the past number of years, including UK Independent Dealer of the Year, Independent Community Dealer of the Year, and most recently, Used Car Retailer of the Year. Integrity and transparency are really important to us at Emerald in how we conduct our business. We're the only dealership with a multi-award winning weekly YouTube show which pulls back the curtain and lets you see the inner workings of how a car dealership operates. We cover all aspects of the day-to-day running, from buying, selling, sourcing, after sales, and of course everything that goes on over at our RAC approved workshop.
Every one of our cars undergoes a 128-point vehicle inspection by our team of experienced technicians. Any item that aren't up to our approved standards, we rectify and replace parts needed with manufactured approved parts. We also service every car and put a fresh MOT on ready for its next owner. When we are happy the car is in A1 mechanical condition, over it goes to our body shop for paint correction or wheel refurbishment, then finally onto our detailing team. Essentially, we want to ensure that when the car reaches its new owner, it's at its very best. For the road ahead, we've got you covered for a comprehensive 90-day warranty, which can be extended for 1, 2 or 3 years, depending on your preference. We are proud to be partnered with the market-leading warranty providers that match up to our own high standards, providing customers with genuine support when they need it.
We've also got you protected for all unfortunate circumstances, such as having your car written off or stolen throughout your time owning the vehicle. We're really pleased to be able to offer a great RAC, gap and return to invoice insurance product, keeping you safe long after you've left our showroom.
If you are local to us and want us to take away the headache of keeping your car well maintained, our service plans could be just the ticket for you. Payable monthly and carried out in our fully equipped RAC approved garage, every service comes complete with a free health check to keep you and your vehicle safe and secure on the journey ahead, and also protect the future value of your car by maintaining that all-important service history.
And when it comes to protecting your car's interior and exterior against stains, scuffs, contaminants, all of our encompassing Guardex paint and fabric protection ensure the aesthetic appearance of your new vehicle remained unaltered and improved to an almost better than new finish. It's a great opportunity to protect against the best and worst that Mother Nature has to offer.
And last but not least, if you do need to take out finance for your new vehicle, we have a panel of over 35 lenders, including Santander, with rates as low as 7.9% APR, always guaranteeing you the lowest possible interest rate. For a free finance check, which won't affect your credit rating, click the finance tab on our website to fill out a 2-minute application that lets you know beforehand what your monthly payments are likely to be. We've got loads of PCP, HP and lease options available, depending on your personal preference and budget. So if you want to speak to me or my team of finance experts for any help and advice, please don't hesitate to pick up the phone. We're here to help.
Our goal at Emerald is not just to sell cars, it's about creating lasting relationships and customers for life. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers had to say about their very own Emerald experience.
And how would you rate us out of 10? 10 being probably the best car dealership in the UK.
Definitely 10.
Oh, I'd definitely say 10.
I'm going to say 10. 10.
10 obviously.
10.
10 I suppose.
Definitely a 10.
I would give you a 10.
It's got to be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
Well, it's obviously a 10, isn't it?
Obviously a 10.
Mate, it's more than 10.
Can I say 11?
Straight million, straight million.
Way more than 10.
I would say 10.
Oh, I'd go as far as saying 11.
Definitely a 10.
10, yeah.
A 10.
I can say 10.
In
Be
the
11.
UK.
Well, it's got to be a 10.
Definitely a 10. If I could give you more than a 10, I definitely would.
I'd definitely say a 10.
10. I'd give you a 10.
I'd give it a solid 10.
I would say 10.
10 out of 10.
I'll give you a 10 then. Sounds
Give us a 10.
10.
Don't argue with 10 out of 10.
Gotta be a 10.
I'd give you a 10.
I would rate you a 10. 10 out of 10, 100%. It's gotta be 10 out of 10, isn't it?
That's an easy one, isn't it? It's 11.
11 out of 10.
I'll give you 10. Because I came back, didn't I? And I'll be back again.